Hey guys, welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today I wanted to talk about the cabin air filters on GMC Yukons. Now before everything, if yours is a 2003 or newer, you're not gonna have a cabin air filter. But if yours is a 2002 or older, this video will work for you. I'm working on a 2003 right now, so this video is just to show you how to get to the filter. And also, if you want to add an air filter on a 2003 or newer, you can. I'm gonna show you how. So before everything, you have to remove two screws. One is right here and the other one is right here in the middle, using a 7mm socket and a ratchet. There's another screw back here, but it's super hard to get. So let's just remove these two and I'll show you. Okay, once you take those two, you should come down. And like I said, there's still one there holding it. It's hard to get, but you have enough room to work. I mean, you can remove it if you need more space, but there's plenty of space. So this is where let me put more light. This is where if you have a 2002 or older, well, the filter will be, there's like a little clip around here where you can remove and take out, and then this comes down and you take out the filter. Like I said, this is a 2003, so I don't have that option. But what I've seen some people do on these cars, and maybe other cars as well, they cut around this area with a razor blade, like a really strong razor blade. They cut around all of this area, so this piece will come out, and they add the cabin air filter. Once they add it, they put this little plastic back and they cover everything with duct tape, so they don't leave any leaks, any air leaks. And I mean, once you replace it, you can just put everything back, and that's it. I mean, like I said, if yours is a 2002, then this video is good for you. But if not, then you can use a razor blade or something to cut it, like a strong blade to cut it, and add it and add duct tape. So once you finish, just put all the screws back, and that's it. I hope this video helped someone. If it did, please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. As always, peace.